Hi, this is Motorola Moto G54 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's open the settings and then tap to Network and Internet. To activate Wi-Fi, click to Wi-Fi section, tap to get it, and to activate Wi-Fi to turn it off, we should click to the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a couple of seconds, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll find here the Wi-Fi icon. So to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click to this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. After that, by the same way, select the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.